Alright, everything all the way over here. You're the best.
Please on your daddy's shoulder right now. You're being very good, and we can't wait to get you in the sunshine in Puerto Rico. We're gonna have so much fun. We love you.
I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. Taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could cry. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe.
Once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard American Airlines Flight 1635. Now with
There's
non-stop
so
service to
many
Los Angeles
times
International
I've
Airport.
let you down.
In command of
So
our
many
aircraft today is
times
Captain.
I've played around. I tell you now, they don't mean a thing. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing for you. When I come back, I'll wear your wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go. Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you. Then close your eyes. I'll be on my way.
It will take Captain Hall a few moments to taxi the aircraft to the gate. He has requested you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and also that you keep the aisles clear of your carry-on luggage until we are parked and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. There will be your one-shot indication that it's